Just imagine a brand new floor installed in your home for the holidays. And the best part, you'll be shocked at how quickly you can have it all done. What will probably take the longest time is picking out the floor you want. But once you know that, new floors can be installed in a matter of days. In fact, the flooring experts at Flooring Direct can finish 1,000 square feet of flooring in just a day or two. Keep in mind that if you choose a ceramic tile or solid hardwood floor, it will take a bit longer. These type of floors are meant to last a lifetime, so the extra day or so will definitely be worth it. And with just one phone call or website visit, one of our qualified flooring experts will meet you right at your home and show you all the flooring samples you could ever want. You'll be able to examine all the colors and patterns that will complement your particular interior design. No more guessing about how the floor will look with the type of lighting you have in your home. Now, let's talk about your kitchen. Despite how much money we spend on the other rooms in our homes, doesn't it always seem most of our guests end up in the kitchen? During the holidays, it often becomes the most popular and busiest room in the house. Fortunately, there are lots of great kitchen flooring options, from tough, durable hardwood floors to the upscale feel of marble or granite, along with an endless variety of ceramic, porcelain, and luxury vinyl tile. So if you want to be floored by a great gift this holiday season, just visit flooringdirectdfw.com.